The lockdown feels like a stress test for many relationships. As the realization of the extended lockdown is seeping in, we are finding it very difficult to manage our relationships. Either we are bored, either we are angry at each other, we are irritated, agitated, anxious, insecure. We are snapping at each other, we are having these baseless arguments and fights. And we are second doubting our relationships, we are second doubting our partners and their intent. It's normal. Many of you have come to me regarding this. And it's important to understand why this is happening. Either we are spending way too much time together with a partner, or either we are spending way less time together. So we need to find that middle area. We need to find that gray area so that we're able to survive a relationship during this lockdown. So I really want you to understand these 4 things while you're dealing with your relationship. Number 1, you need to press pause and go small. You need not define your long-term goals of your relationship or define where the relationship is going. You need to take your relationship one day at a time, because right now defining anything that is seemingly far-fetched and talking about it is just gonna make you feel out of control and your relationship out of your hands. And that is just gonna make you feel anxious. So take one day at a time. Number 2, understand that you and your partner are dealing with this crisis as an individual and as a couple. So your partner might be equally agitated, anxious, or worried about the whole situation. So if they're feeling anxious or if they're mad at you, it might not be about you or about your relationship. So don't make it about it. Just try to be a little forgiving, little gentle, little patient. Try not to elicit all the emotional needs from your partner. Your partner is not everything. So you can find different avenues for you to meet your emotional needs right now. Either you talk to your friend or a family. Just take a break, pause, and be calm and gentle with each other. Number 3, resolving fights in lockdown can be very difficult and very different. So if you're living together and if you have a fight, you can't just simply walk out to cool off yourself. Or either if you're living far off and you have a fight, you can't meet and resolve your emotional conflicts. So it's important that whenever you have a fight, you take a break, you get in the right headspace, you both decide on a time wherein you feel comfortable to talk about your concerns and then deal with it. It's important to not react but to respond responsibly. Number 4, respect each other's personal space. You need not be connected with each other 24/7 or talk to each other 24/7, because if you're overindulging into it, you might end up bringing things from the past and you'll be talking about things which are completely out of the context or unnecessary and end up having these arguments or fights, and you will end up thinking that your relationship is very boring. So you need to understand that you need to respect and give each other their own personal time and space.